Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of bookshelf ideas. A bookshelf is more than just a place to store books. It's a statement piece that can enhance the aesthetics of any room while showcasing your personal style and interests. In this video, we'll explore various bookshelf designs, creative ways to organize your collection, and tips for integrating bookshelves into your home decor. Whether you're a bookworm looking to create a cozy reading nook or someone seeking to add flair to your living space, these ideas will inspire you to make the most of your bookshelf. Let's get started. When selecting a bookshelf, the style should complement the overall aesthetic of your space. There are countless styles to choose from, and the right one can make a significant impact on your room's decor. Traditional bookshelves, these are usually made from wood, featuring classic designs with intricate details. They work well in libraries or formal living rooms. Opt for rich wood tones like mahogany or walnut for a timeless look. Modern and minimalist, for a sleek, contemporary vibe, consider a minimalist bookshelf with clean lines and a neutral color palette. Floating shelves are an excellent choice for a modern aesthetic, giving the illusion of more space while showcasing books and decor. Industrial style, if you prefer a more rugged look, industrial-style bookshelves made from metal and reclaimed wood can add character to your space. Look for bookshelves that feature a mix of open shelving and closed storage to balance form and function. Eclectic and whimsical, for a playful touch, opt for unique bookshelf designs that make a statement. Think asymmetrical shapes, colorful finishes, or shelves that resemble tree branches. These can serve as eye-catching decor elements while providing practical storage. Built-in bookshelves, if you have the opportunity, built-in bookshelves can be a fantastic way to utilize space effectively. They can be customized to fit any room and can even include features like a reading nook or integrated lighting. Choosing the right style depends on your personal taste and how you envision the bookshelf fitting into your overall design scheme. Each style brings its own charm and functionality, allowing you to create a unique atmosphere in your home. If these bookshelf ideas inspired you to elevate your home library or reading nook, give this video a like and share it with friends who love to read or decorate. Once you've selected the perfect bookshelf, it's time to think about how to organize and arrange your books and decor items. Here are some creative ways to display your collection. Color coordination, one popular method is to organize books by color. This visually appealing approach creates a rainbow effect, adding vibrancy to the shelf. It's also a fun way to showcase your collection, making it easy to find books while adding a striking design element to the room. Themed arrangements, if you have books from specific genres or themes, consider grouping them together. For example, place all your cookbooks on one shelf and fiction novels on another. This organization method not only makes it easier to find what you're looking for, but also adds visual interest. Mixing decor with books, don't just fill your shelves with books, incorporate decor items like plants, framed photos, or artwork. These elements break up the monotony and create a dynamic display. Use decorative bookends to add flair and keep books organized. Vertical and horizontal stacking, use a combination of vertical and horizontal stacking for your books. Place some books upright while stacking others horizontally to create visual variety. You can use horizontal stacks as platforms to display small decor items or plants. Utilizing space wisely, if you have a smaller bookshelf, think about maximizing vertical space by adding additional shelves. Use stackable bins or boxes at the bottom for storing smaller items or seasonal decorations. Remember, the key is to create an arrangement that feels balanced and visually appealing. Take your time to experiment with different layouts until you find one that resonates with your style. What's your favorite way to style a bookshelf? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your creative ideas and tips for showcasing your books. Bookshelves can be placed in various areas of your home, serving different purposes and enhancing the overall decor. Here are some ideas on how to integrate bookshelves into different spaces. Living room, a statement bookshelf can be a central feature in your living room. Consider a tall, open bookshelf that showcases not only your books, but also family photos, art pieces, and decor items. Position it near a cozy reading chair or sectional sofa to create a reading nook that invites relaxation. Home office. In a home office, a bookshelf can serve as both storage and inspiration. Organize your professional books, files, and supplies while displaying awards or motivational quotes. Opt for a sleek, modern design that complements your workspace and keeps it organized. Bedroom. A bookshelf in the bedroom can create a calming reading environment. Choose a compact shelf to fit beside your bed or opt for a taller unit that doubles as a nightstand. Include a few of your favorite novels and decorative items to personalize the space. Kitchen. Incorporating a small bookshelf in the kitchen can be a practical and stylish way to store cookbooks, recipe cards, or decorative dishware. Consider a rolling cart bookshelf for easy access to your favorite cooking resources while adding a touch of charm. Entryway or hallway. A narrow bookshelf can serve as an excellent solution for entryways or hallways, providing storage for shoes, bags, and hats while displaying decorative items. This multifunctional piece can help create an organized and welcoming entry point to your home. When choosing the placement for your bookshelf, consider the overall flow of the room and how it interacts with other furniture pieces. The goal is to create a cohesive look while maximizing functionality in your living spaces. For more home decor tips and creative design ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you're always updated on our latest videos. If you're feeling crafty, consider creating your own DIY bookshelf that reflects your personal style. Here are some ideas to get you started. Pallet bookshelf. Repurpose old wooden pallets to create a rustic bookshelf. Simply stack and secure the pallets to create a unique design. You can leave them natural for a rustic look or paint them in your favorite color for a more modern vibe. Ladder bookshelf. Use an old wooden ladder as a creative bookshelf. Lean the ladder against a wall and place books on the steps, adding small decor items on the rungs. This approach adds character and a touch of whimsy to your space. Crate bookshelf. Stack wooden crates in various configurations to create a customizable bookshelf. This method allows you to create different shapes and sizes to fit your space. Paint the crates in coordinating colors to match your decor for a fun and playful look. Check out our home decor playlist for more stylish ideas that can transform any space, including unique shelving solutions and reading areas. Wall-mounted shelves. For a more minimalist approach, consider installing floating wall-mounted shelves. These shelves can be arranged in various patterns or staggered heights to create visual interest. Use them to display books, plants, or small sculptures. Personalized decor. Don't forget to add personal touches to your bookshelf. Incorporate items that reflect your hobbies or interests, such as framed photos, travel souvenirs, or collectibles. You could also paint or decorate the bookshelf itself with patterns, colors, or decals that represent your style. Creating a DIY bookshelf allows you to customize your storage solution while expressing your creativity. Whether you go for a simple design or an intricate project, these personalized touches will make your bookshelf a true reflection of who you are. Thanks for tuning in to our exploration of bookshelf ideas. We hope you found inspiration for creating a bookshelf that not only showcases your love for reading but also enhances your home decor. Want to recreate the looks featured in today's video? Check the description for links to the bookshelves and decor items used, so you can style your own space. Remember, a bookshelf is a canvas for creativity. It can reflect your style, passions, and personality. From choosing the right style and organizing your collection to integrating bookshelves into various spaces and adding DIY elements, we've covered a range of ideas that can transform any room. So whether you're an avid reader or just looking to add a touch of charm to your home, there's a bookshelf idea for everyone. We can't wait to see how you bring your own bookshelf ideas to life. Happy decorating! Explore more of our home design videos for inspiration that spans every room in your house, from living rooms to home offices. Crafting a beautiful bookshelf setup is about more than just organization. It's about creating a visual escape within your own space. Each shelf holds the potential to reflect your passions, tell stories, and bring inspiration into your everyday life. Enjoy curating a look that's as individual as you are.